What's up guys, D628 here. Welcome to part 2 of interior detailing of the wonderful, in parentheses, Chevy Sonic. If you're wondering how far we've gotten, so this is the state of this car. If this is your first video joining in on this series, you'll wonder, oh, you probably did the seats for part 1, no? No, it doesn't look like it. Why is this part 2? It looks like I haven't even touched the thing. And I have like I haven't edited it yet, but maybe 20-minute video of the first part. And I spent 5 hours already on the interior of this car. What the hell? You must have done something, yeah? The roof lining? No. No. It took 4 hours to take that seat out. And multiple tools. Check out the first part if you want to see a man being defeated multiple times. That sounded wrong. No diddy. Anyways, we are doing the inside of Diddy, the Chevy Sonic. This car is a disaster. We already made some money back. There's some more, but this car is absolutely filthy. So step 1, we are going to just purely vacuum the car as much as we can to get anything out that we can. Step 2 will be drilling with a brush on it, just so I'm not shooting too much stuff in the air because I know it's going to be nasty. Well, step 1 actually is going to be gloving up and covering up, because I'm definitely using a glove on this thing, and a mask and glasses and everything. Once we vacuum it, then I'm just going to do a wipe down on everything. I'm going to clean the dash and all that kind of stuff to get all that stuff, the door, just if anything else falls on the floor, we'll go from there. And then we'll start doing extraction and go from there. We'll do the seats last, but this might be a 2-parter or a 3-parter series for the interior of this vehicle, because I'll keep blabbing on. So we're gonna get to it. I've been working on this one little stain for so long. You can still kind of see it. That right there. God, it's so much more noticeable on camera. It's insane. So I gotta get that one and that one, but the rest is looking better. But that stain right there, I probably went over it, I'm not even joking, 120 times. That's not an exaggeration. And it's just extracting brown every single time. I've gone through 3 of these tanks on this, but look at this thing. I've been steaming it nice and hot, you know, scrubbing and all this stuff right in between, and you can still see it's like brown as can be. 9th one today, and this is the 4th one just from that one passenger rear side, and 90% of this one is from that one stain. I've probably gone through it now 160 times. Yeah, interior is done finally. That roof liner was a pain in the ass to work with. I didn't get it before trunk, but this was just atrocious too. But yeah, everything that you see is like just scuffs right? So like if you see like this, it all just scuffs to the material of it, but you know, it's not 100% perfect. There's still little things here and there. But here is the before and after. It's about 90% of what it was, 95%. And it's breathable in here finally. So that is that. Thank you guys for joining me on this adventure of the interior of the Chevy Sonic. If you guys liked it, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day. DSEC208's out.